Hi, in this video you are going to learn how to make a startup page in Google Chrome. Okay, so open a Google Chrome browser and click on this customize and control Google Chrome option. Click on settings. Here in left side you can see on startup option. Click on this. Here if you want to make a specific page as a startup page, click on this radio button and click on add a new page. So for example I will set a Wikipedia page. So click on this add button. So if you want to see the changes, just close a Chrome and reopen it again. Now you can see the Wikipedia page came as a startup page. And also you can use a current pages as a startup pages. So for that you can go to this customize and control Google Chrome option again and click on settings and click on startup. Here you can see use current pages as a startup pages. Okay, so I have already opened as a Wikipedia here, and let's open another website. Bing.com and Yahoo email. Okay, so I will click on this option now. You can see now the Bing search engine and Yahoo email. Okay, so it has came both here as a current pages. If you want to see the changes, okay, so just close this Chrome browser and reopen it again. Now you can see whatever we have saved the current pages as a startup pages as Bing.com and Yahoo email. Okay, you can see both came at a time. Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.